What is up, guys? So for this big family, we don't just cook one thing of tacos. Yeah, we have to make 2 things of tacos because there's too many people in this house. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm making some tacos because it's Tuesday and it's Taco Tuesday. So yeah, we go through a lot of food in this house, and most of the time, even with 2 boxes of tacos, I still don't get to eat because they eat it all. Because it's kids. And
we're sorry.
You're not sorry.
We're hungry. Sorry.
Yeah, I know you're hungry. You're hungry all the time.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I'm always hungry.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Not when you're full.
Here we go. We talked about us having a baby in the last video, well, in one of the last videos when we were at Magic Kingdom. But this is the shirt that we told all of our family with. So we put Grayson in this shirt and basically said, hey, Grayson has something to say to you. There were some great reactions to this shirt. I really wish I would have videoed them because there were some great reactions to this shirt. So if you didn't know, and you didn't watch that video, we're having another baby. Yeah, so that's why Party of 9 is now turned into Party of 10. Or baby in 11, you know, once we know. But I at least changed it to Party of 10 for now. But yeah, we got this online and it's really cute. So this is how we told everybody we're having a baby. This is the finished product. Look at my masterpiece of tacos. You know you want some tacos now. Everybody that is watching this video is like, you know what? I really want a taco right now. Go get a taco. Go get a taco. So we ate dinner, and we actually did get, me and Lindy did get to eat tacos. That's good. There was enough for both of us. I think only because Grayson didn't eat a taco. He started eating a taco, but sometimes he gets finicky on what he wants to eat and what he doesn't want to eat. So we ate other stuff, which is good. But we actually got to eat tacos, and now there's absolutely none left. So we destroyed all the tacos. It was good though, it was good. So the girls are doing some Valentines with some Fun Dip. This is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. I don't know. I don't even know who makes Fun Dip. But yeah, so they have Fun Dip mystery flavor Valentine's Day cards, and they have some this Shopkins? What is this?
they're
I thought Shopkins were
those are
people.
These are Shoppies.
Who?
The girls are called Shoppies. These are Shoppies.
Uh-huh. I thought,
and
so those are the people that are shopping for the Shopkins?
And these are Shopkins, and these are Shop.
They're the people version of the Shopkins.
What the?
The people version of the Shopkins. Keep up. Keep up.
I don't even know what's going on here.
Okay, so
I just thought Shopkins were things like grocery bags and stuff.
Look, see that?
I'm way out of tune.
See that cupcake? That's a Shopkins. See those girls?
Uh-huh.
That's those are the Shoppies.
The Shoppies are the people version.
Yeah, they're like the people
Okay.
version.
Okay. I have no idea what they're talking about. I just shake my head and go, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So anyways. Okay, so she actually has really cool, I picked these out.
Oh, really?
Yes, I did. They don't look like much right now, but where's the box? She lost the box. She lost the box. Oh, here's the box. Okay. They are paper airplane Valentines. So they're already pre-designed, and then they fold them where the lines are, And it makes 4 different designs of airplanes. These are like the best Valentine's Day cards ever. Awesome.
Ever.
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 Like, in the history of Valentine's.
They're the best invention for Valentine's ever. Ever.
Okay.
I forgot to bring.
Also, they have little mailboxes now. Like, I didn't get no dang mailboxes when I was a kid. They just threw them on our desk. Or a little bag on the end of our desk. They have, like, Trolls ones and these ones with a dog on it. Okay, so at Walmart, when we were getting these, more than 3/4 of the mailboxes had one of these missing. Like, I don't know what it was, but it had that missing, and then this little thing to open the back of the things to get out your cards, that was coming off. So people at Walmart, like, destroy the stuff before they even buy it. It's crazy. So, but yeah, we just had like a bag that you put your name on and your desk, and that's how they put, you know, the Valentines in them. Now they have mailboxes. They have mailboxes. Okay, I don't know if this bothers anybody else, but it does obviously not my wife. It bothers the heck out of me. Hold on. Let me... Why is it... There we go. 127,273 unread message emails. 127,000 emails that she has not opened. I have 0. I have 0. I have 0. 127,000. How many of these do you have? Holy cow. You're still working on it. It's like 30 minutes later. So they were almost done.
There's 32.
32 what? Kids in your class?
No, Valentine's.
I told them to do them all and then pass them out tomorrow night.
Yeah, we can do them for Awana too.
Oh.
Because we get $5 if we give out Valentine's.
Oh, they go to church on Wednesdays for Awana. And tomorrow is if they bring Valentine's, they get what? Money for...
Money.
For Awana bucks is what they call them. And they get to go to a country store. Is it once a month? They do the country store? Or?
We already did. Yeah, I think it's once a month.
Oh, okay. They just did the country store, but they can buy stuff at the country store with their Awana bucks, which is kind of cool stuff that they bring home sometimes. Right?
Can I show you one thing that I got last time?
Okay.
Me too.
So this is what you got last time?
Yeah, and I got nerds.
Hatchimals?
Last Wednesday night was the last country store.
No, it wasn't.
Ever?
Yeah. No.
Oh, well you...
Last Wednesday night was the last country store that we
Oh,
had.
okay, I got you. And you got this Christmas teddy bear, and Christmas is already over.
Really, a Christmas teddy bear.
What do you mean it's not a Christmas teddy bear? It has a Santa hat on.
It has a hat and a scarf doesn't mean it's a Christmas bear.
It's a Santa hat.
And you with this, see this? This is the look, and this is a case that you can put like very secret stuff in.
Oh, it's like a diary.
And so it's
Treasure keepsake box.
so that's the box that you get to color the front, and that's the lock. And see this? You can make fashion bracelets with this, so that you can just wear the key, and so you won't lose the key.
Oh, okay. Awesome. She just loves stuffed animals, so doesn't matter.
I have a
She will have
collection.
she will have the Santa hat wearing bear all year long on her bed. I can already tell.
Collection. Some
Yes.
I bought.
You can barely sleep on your bed because you have so much stuff on your bed. So now the kids are in bed, lunches are packed, everything's done. We're tired, we're going to bed. So until next time, remember to live your adventure. Bye-bye.